The KPI Explorer opens up a menu navigation bar that lets you filter by various categories and see any of the data corresponding to them. As an example, we can see that sales is selected here for choosing a measure, and if we open up the category fields here, we'll see that the number for the sales value is listed next to each one of these categories. Now, to give an expanded view, I'm going to come up to the right, and I'm going to select Explorer Full View, which will give us an expanded look for each of the categories to be able to filter by. Additionally, for each of these sections, if you clicked on the flag, you'll have an option to be able to add rules or ranges. We're going to go ahead and select Ranges, and similar to conditional formatting, you have the ability to add, remove, or modify the ranges here. We'll go ahead and keep the default and select Apply. And you can observe the changes of the colors and icons showing up in the list to indicate whatever range logic that you had specified. Plus, each of these filter menus, when you make a selection, will cross-filter each other as well to allow for easy filtering and navigation. Inside of each of these filter lists, you also have the option to sort by name, sort by values, or choose what values to highlight as we just showed. And last but not least, the calculations can be changed over here to show, as an example, forecast instead next to any of these values, which once again can also have their own rule logic applied.